We Got Love meets Westside J. Baller. Apoorva about to take Smoker's Cough at his favorite bar, the Brown Jug, Ann Arbor, Michigan, on March 29th, 2008.
Smoker's Cough includes what?
Smoker's Cough includes Jager and mayonnaise.
And how much is he doing this for?
$10.
Hey, yo, what's up, yo? You already know who it is. This is Superstar. I'm about to do it real big, you know what I'm saying? We talk about street crack points going through the roof right about now, you know what I'm saying? This is Westside J at its finest form. I'm about to get some Jager and Mayo. I'm about to do it real big, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna substitute that Red Bull with that Mayo, you know what I'm saying? Throw up on that helmet shit. But on the real, I might fucking puke after this, but